Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and many have reported this over the last few weeks, and I am someone that does use the Copilot from time to time, and it is a little sketchy, yes. A lot of you saying, well, it seems slower, sometimes it doesn't do what you want, and it actually is true. I've been doing some, I like, for example, the Dolly picture creation, stuff like that. Sometimes the requests are not good. Sometimes it's just weird. And you end up with having something bizarre happening and not requesting or not happening or not working at all. Or sometimes, like look at just what's happening here with this weird request. It's so bizarre. So, if you are having issues with the Copilot, both here and both in the Edge browser, if you're using it there, don't worry. We all, I think, have this issue, and wondering if it's Microsoft kind of tweaking Copilot or having issues with it. I know that they want to send us soon a more powerful one. It's already available, but it's not everybody that's having it now. So I think that if you have issues, just wait, come back, do your request later. But I've noticed also that Copilot is really, really not reliable lately in every version of Windows that I'm asking anything. But hopefully it's going to get better if you're using it. I had somebody that was very interesting, somebody that was mentioning that he writes reviews, and that he actually found Copilot to be very useful to help him write reviews. And I can see where some of the features could be very useful for depending on what you do. So, text writing particularly, I could see how it could be helpful to make things a little better. So if you're having issues with Copilot not always behaving the way you want, don't worry. It's just that we're getting into the era of the Terminators. Joking. But no, Copilot is having some issues, definitely not always responding well. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.